Guys, tomorrow is Friday the trading, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't know, it's for Jason Gaming. No, Jason is gonna kill me. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna get some mask, some saw. I'm gonna unboxing Jason or no. Just my distance. Saw. I'm a jigsaw. Don't remember. Jason. I just killed Jason. Hey, stupid dicks. No one can stop me. Guys, that's a jigsaw. I'd like to do that in Philippines. I see in the civil, so I see in the metro. I just buy it. Just a $14.99, and that's $199. So I can't see just like Jason. I don't know. I can't see it. I'm gonna unboxing Lazada Jason because October 25. I don't know what to do. So let's go. Tomorrow is Friday the guys. I'm gonna scary like I'm gonna play Roblox tomorrow, guys. So Roblox is computer. So I'm gonna screen record to my phone. This is my phone Vivo. So I have a series. I'm gonna play a series in 3 a.m. So you're gonna see it. So this is my Siri phone ever. So yes, charges ever. I think people will. I'm gonna using it tomorrow. I don't know what to do, so I'm scared. I have glue because I'm gonna buy a slime. I'll make a slime. So bye guys. See you next time. Goodbye. Comments me below, and tomorrow I'm gonna Roblox because I don't know if this series is gonna kill me, and Jason's and Chucky. I don't like kill. So scared. I don't know. It's real. It's gonna October trading, Friday trading, guys. It's real, guys. It's real. It's real, guys. It's real. So scary. I'm so scared. I'm gonna alarm my phone. I'm gonna change 3 a.m. So I'm gonna make a 3 a.m. Bye guys, see you next time. Goodbye. So tomorrow I'm gonna go.